The research that I am working on with Dr. James Dyer of the Geography Department is focused primarily on the effects of climate change on vegetation patterns in the Appalachian Highlands. A good example of what I'm talking about is the tree species eastern hemlock. Currently we have eastern hemlock throughout southeastern Ohio, but even slight increases in temperature could have dramatic effects on the range of this species and many others. This raises questions like how quickly will these species be able to disperse farther north, and will other species be able to move in and take their place? We are attempting to use geographic information systems to model potential changes. So on a day-to-day basis, I use the GIS software to create grids to display variables like soil, moisture capacity, and climate. And then I can take that data that is modeled and we can use certain tools within the GIS software to analyze the data and eventually come up with predictors of what vegetation patterns will look like in response to climate change. The results of this research will be a bioclimate map that will help us learn whether climate change will have as dramatic effect on vegetation patterns as some have previously thought. To know that my small piece of this research contributes to a much greater body of work is very fulfilling. I think it's really beneficial to me, and it helps me to realize what life's actually going to be like after I'm in the real world, so to speak.